Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to create a process, three of them actually. One for file groups, to create a file group for each file that we create. Another one for the unit itself, to ensure that we have all four file groups, files on the appropriate databases. And finally, a procedure that's just going to call the create file and create file group procedures, so we can get all that squared away and we'll actually have places to store data. So hope you enjoy.
All right, so we're gonna drag the file group creator over, and pretty simple, and it's gonna be a really fast episode because we have to create a single and a unit like the last one. We're going to start off by opening up the create single file, and all we need to do is really replace the word file with file group, because over and over in each of my episodes, I have a base and I execute. I name my variables and try to match this subconscious pattern to create these procedures in such a way that Control H becomes the new development method. We're not going to need the file path, and I'm actually going to use this file group and delete everything up to add. It's just file groups instead of database file groups, I think. Yep. And I just want to look over, make sure everything else looks good. And this procedure is basically done. Yeah, so I'll just change this to create. And then we're going to be doing the same thing with the unit just as fast. We just need to actually, I didn't name that correctly, so I need to rename that to data. Oh, I must have done I did a replace. That's what happened. Sometimes you get errors if you don't catch them. So, but rename to database and replace file with file group again. And this actually should be complete. We don't need to do anything to it. Right? All right. Oh, yeah, we do need to make it a create instead of an alter. So that's that. And actually, I want to create another procedure that will call the file group creator and then call the file creator. So we can, they go together. They're almost dependent on each other. So I'll just create system object database, create files and file groups. I'll take the parameters from this one over here. Let's see. Just give them UTT name and get ready. Let's see. Guess we'll do the initialized comments just to get into the habit of doing so. First, I want to create the file groups. So system object, where is it? There it is, the unit. Inside of this procedure, it's going to cycle through types. So actually, I don't need the dataset type either. And just kind of, with the same names, just makes coding so much quicker. Once again, replace file group with file, and basically we're done. We can get right into testing this crap. Since system's going to be the first database that we work on, I'm going to create reference files and file groups on the system main history and oh crap. Well, this is an error I've seen all the time. So somewhere I don't have the right token in my base script. So easiest way to figure these out, especially when working with these scripts, is just kind of print out what you're doing and stop the execution from happening. and we'll do it on both. All right, just copy, comment out, Control KC if you don't know, and then we'll run it again. We'll get our printout, and it's dataset type name. Okay, so that's the busted token in both procedures. Nice. So that should be an easy fix. There we go. Oh, I'll just undo everything and then fix this. Save it, undo everything, and then fix it. And this one has a lot of them. Make sure I get them all. Now let's try it again. That looks like it's doing something. Completed. Let's check system main. So these files work, file groups work. Awesome. So very quick episode. That's basically all we needed to do. We're gonna get right into creating the tables next. Actually, well, we need some prep first, but after the prep, we're gonna start creating some tables. So thank you very much again for watching. Short video, but hope you enjoy.